everyone, it's Kim here from the Empty Bobbin in Albany, and I have a what's in the box for you today. So today we have a box with lots and lots of goodies in here. This is a box with some of our knitting items in it. So we have some beautiful big long stitch holders, lots of circular needles in various sizes. And then I love it when there's boxes inside of boxes. So we've got sets of scissors coming through. And what have we got here? Some bobbin holders. So for all those loose bobbins and the empty bobbins that rattle around inside your cupboard, you can pop those in. And we've got a variety of different knitting needles in all sizes coming through as well. And if anybody has seen one of these in Nana's cupboard, perhaps, got a few. They actually hold all your knitting needles and they clip together so that nothing falls out. I've got some of these crafty tubes, which we're going to make some barber cords for. We'll explain those a little bit later on. This box is not open. Oh, let's open a box. It's like Christmas time. Pinking shears. For those that know what pinking shears are, look at that, beautiful, nice big sharp long ones. And one more box here. We have, more scissors. So that's what's in today's box, and we'll see you next time.